If you sell on Etsy or eBay, you felt this. You make a sale, you pack the order, you ship it out, and then they're gone. You don't get their email. You don't build a real relationship. And unless the algorithm shows your shop again, that customer might never come back. Frustrating, right? But here's the shift. Once you learn how to get email signups on Etsy and eBay the right way, everything changes. And yes, you can do it without breaking a single rule. Okay? Quick reality check first. Etsy and eBay are very protective of buyer info. So you can't take emails from orders. You can't ask for emails in messages. You can't offer freebies inside platform messages. You can't use their order email for marketing. And you can't send people off platform during checkout. Sounds strict. But here's the good news. They're not stopping you from building a list. They're just saying the customer has to choose to join you. And that's actually powerful. So how do you do it? This is where it gets good. Number 1, packaging inserts. This is the big one. Put a small thank you card in every order. Something simple like, want early access to new releases and a free care guide? Join my VIP list at yourlink.com. Super effective. Number 2, add your sign-up link to your shop. On Etsy, you can put your link in your shop announcement, your About section, your banner, even your social links. Now browsers, not just buyers, can join your list. Number 3, give them a reason. People don't join email lists just because. Offer something helpful, a printable, a care guide, a pattern, a discount code, early access to new releases. Make it feel like a gift, not a sales pitch. Number 4, use social media. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. These are list-building gold. Invite followers to join your email list for something special. Now your list grows even outside the marketplace. Number 5, QR codes. Put them on packaging inserts, stickers, craft fair tables. Scan, join, done. And one more thing most sellers skip. Don't just collect emails. Welcome people properly. Send a short email sequence. First email, welcome and the freebie. Second, your story. Third, tips or value. Fourth, a gentle product intro. That's how one-time buyers turn into repeat customers. Because here's the truth. Marketplaces change. Fees go up, competition grows, visibility drops. But your email list? That's yours. Your safety net, your community, your repeat buyers, your stability. And it all starts with a simple invitation. If you want the full breakdown, exact wording, examples, and step-by-step help, I put it all into a friendly blog post. Check the link in the description and read it now.